And what you don't want is to be holding a lot of high-end, really expensive real estate that you had to make work if that correction comes, because usually the higher-end real estate is the first types of properties that feel the correction because they have the most room to correct, right? $1 million home can easily drop 100 grand, no problem. A $200,000 house, probably to drop 100 grand is going to take a lot more time. It's probably going to drop from 200 grand to, maybe 180. It's not going to do a $100,000 drop relatively quickly, like a high-end home, like $1 million home. Those can drop relatively quickly because there's a lot of value in those homes. So a lot of spread, probably is a better word, a lot of spread in those homes. So I literally know investors that had, during the last boom, 2006, 2007, their model, their specialty was fixing and flipping high-end $1 million homes. And they were, during the boom, making a really good profit, really good profit margin on these houses. However, when the recession came, when no one expected it, and those houses went plummeting down, literally, I know people that had multiple of those in their inventory, 3, 4 high-end, over $500,000 homes that just plummeted in value and literally, wiped these investors out at that particular time. They had to come back, of course, during the next real estate cycle, but it was a very dangerous game to play. Unfortunately, not a lot of people knew that was going to happen back then, but when it did, it took a lot of people out. And so we don't want to definitely be making properties work just because we think the prices are going to go up. Yeah, they may go up, but if they don't, it's a safer, more conservative play to make sure the deal just works based off of the deal today and not the anticipated appreciation. Okay, so we're going to take a quick commercial break. I'm going to share an example of what I mean by creative. Sometimes we have to get creative to make the deal work, but we don't want to compromise the profit to make it work, if that makes sense. I'm going to go through an example when we get back here from commercial break. We're also, like I said, going to be discussing the step-by-steps of remodeling a home. So do not go away. We will be right back. With smartphones and technology making life a little easier, the Snap Leash has also been designed to make life a little easier for you and your pup. Whether you're out on a stroll in the park, or possibly a walk through the city, or maybe even a hike up in the mountains, the Snap Leash is the perfect leash for you. The Snap Leash can easily and conveniently convert into 7 types of leashes, making the Snap Leash the most convenient leash in the world. What other leash do you know that is 7 leashes in one? With the Snap Leash having appearances on the Today Show in New York City, TV 47 in Dallas, Texas, and ABC 4 on Midday, Utah, you are definitely going to want to take a peek at what the Snap Leash can do for you and your best friend. Make life a little easier for you and your pup, and visit www.snapleash.com today.